we're going to walk through how you can get the atom that you purchased on Coinbase into your Keplr wallet. Um, what you're going to do, then you're going to come to Assets up here in the upper left-hand corner. You'll see a list of all your assets. You'll click on Cosmos Atom, drill down on that one. Then you will come to a page that looks like this. What you're going to be doing is we're going to do a send and receive. So that's up in the upper right hand corner. We'll hit send and receive. And we're going to be sending Cosmos, and you're going to be sending it to your Keplr wallet address, your personal wallet. And to get to your Keplr wallet address, you come up here to Keplr, the K, click down on that, and then make sure it says Cosmos Hub at the top, and then select the address here, like I'm doing now. Just click on it. It will copy it into memory. Now that you have that, you can come down to the 2, and you can paste the address here below. Now, there's no memo required for sending Atom to your wallet. As a test, we're going to do $10 first. So you'll just do a $10 test. You'll hit continue. You'll say, yeah, you sure there's no memo required? We already know that. So you hit yes, I'm sure. Review the transaction, and then you see the fee. It's going to cost 6 cents to send that. Then go ahead and hit send now. Enter your two-factor authentication code, which I have right here. Confirm. And now the 0.4 atom has been sent to my Keplr wallet. Okay. Now on the Cosmos side, you can monitor that outgoing by looking at your wallet, that it's saying that it's already complete. So it's already left Coinbase. And now to confirm that it's arrived in the Keplr wallet, we're going to take this address again, and we're going to use another tool called Mint Scan, and then paste your address in. And what this does is actually it's looking onto the blockchain, and it's going to look at your address and give you the transaction history on that address. And what we're going to be looking for is to see in the last minute, did you receive $10 worth of Atom into that address? So once we've entered that, we scroll down below to look at the transaction history, and we can see 2 minutes ago that 0.4 Atom was successfully sent. So it's now working. You can now send the money from Coinbase to your Keplr wallet. And then the next step is, once you have it in your Keplr wallet, let's meet to go ahead and take the next step to get you set up in a liquidity pool for liquidity mining. All right, great. Bye-bye.